Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be studying Maui, the character from Moana, and create our own characters using that character study. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step, and then proceed to the next step. Use a 4 or a 3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your character design and human anatomy. For today's artistry trivia, who is a renowned character designer and animator known for his work with Disney. He has contributed to the design of beloved characters in films such as Frozen, Zootopia, and Moana's Maui. His expertise lies in creating visually captivating and personality-rich characters that resonate with audiences. His work is characterized by a deep understanding of storytelling and a keen eye for cultural authenticity. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. First, let us see and observe the shape that make up the character Maui. Now, one thing about shapes is that they help in defining the character. For example, circles are organic and natural shapes which evoke a warm and welcoming features. Square shape evokes a feeling of strength and sturdiness. And as of triangles, they communicate the feeling of evil and sharpness and usually used to create villain characters. Now as you see for Maui, he is based on square shape, and as seen in the movie, he is strong and fearless. While creating our characters, we should also make sure that they are built up of shapes which provide them with mobility as well. Now as you see, the upper body is proportionally bigger than the legs. Now, as we have conducted this study, let us begin with drawing our own characters using the same body type. Let us draw the first character. The character is leaning forward, so it is a little in perspective. First begin with the basic shape of the torso. Now, after that, draw the head and the leg along with it. All its weight is balanced on its left leg. His left arm is in perspective, a little squeezed and near his body, while both the right hand and the right leg are in perspective, so draw them accordingly. After being done with the basic shape, now begin with adding details to the sketch. Once you are done with the details, start with the costume and the final details. Our character is a bodyguard, so he will be wearing a suit, and he is wearing glasses and has a sharp haircut. Finish off the sketch by coloring and carefully filling the colors and creating shadows using darker colors. Now let's move on to our next character. Our character is in a squatting position, so first, let us draw the basic shapes. It is very important to understand the body structure of a character in order to draw it in any desired position. Once again, when you are done with the basic sketch, slightly erase it and start with the detail on top of it. Don't forget to add the mace, which indicates power. Don't forget, adding details is a very essential part of character design as it defines the character more. Our second character is Lord Hanuman. Now let us start with our third character. Once again, let's start with the basic sketch of the body and start with the torso and pelvis. Here the torso and the pelvis are going into two different directions, so don't forget to catch that twist. This character is a little different as it is flexing its muscle and balancing all its weight on the left leg. Let's start with the detail of our last character. As he is a superhero, so he will have the costume likewise along with the cape. And there we have it. After studying and observing the body form and poses of Maui, we have created and placed our own characters over those poses. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Bill Schwab is a renowned character designer and animator known for his work with Disney. He has contributed to the design of beloved characters in films such as Frozen, Zootopia, and Moana's Maui. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.